Hello, my name is Chaitana.
My name is Srinija. We are fourth years. We are going to complete our fourth year within a couple of weeks.
So today we are going to talk about our HOD. Our beloved HOD has arranged everything for us. From first year, we have participated in varieties of hackathons, fests, and competitions. We have gained the confidence which we were lacking when we came into this college. Now we are working from this college as a confident students, where we can participate in any program and everywhere.
We are loving our college environment. This college is teaching us not only the academics, but we are also going to the placement cell. So in placements, we are they are teaching they're giving the coaching for different companies and different coachings. So we are now confident to participate in any of the activities or fests. So we increased our self-confidence. We are actively participating in everything. We improved our communication skills, and our college gave us so much to learn, and we learned a lot of things.
As we can see the beautiful nature here, you will surely fall in love with our college. Like while entering to the college, you can see every kind of birds in this college, and it's really refreshing. And you can forget everything outside the college and come into the college and enjoy the environment.
Hello everyone, this is Masiha Nas of ACE Engineering College. Currently, I am into my final year of graduation. I can say that I have successfully completed my engineering with multiple offers in my hand from MNCs like Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, Capgemini. I can say that our Department of Computer Science have been exploring us to various technologies from time to time that are in trend. Coming to the placement training, we have been taught verbal, programming languages and aptitude from base. The regular assessment conducted by the placement training cell has helped me to improve the areas which I was in. I have done a project named Exploring a Multi-Layer and Multi-Optimized Approach for Classifying Food Images using Faster RCNN, which I have been successfully published in IJSDR with constant support from our beloved HOD, Dr. L.
Our project is end-to-end car selling portal. So, existing system is that a user should go to a particular store, and there he has to buy. And if he wants loan, he has to again submit documents and all that. But we are trying to digitalize things. So we have started with that idea, and we have used MERN-Stack in our project. So we used Firebase Firestore, and we used React, we used Node, and we have completed web application, and we have also used a loan prediction system that can predict possibility of giving loan to users.
Yeah, myself Akina, and this is our team, Hemant, Navya, Teju and Hemlata. So our project is about automated disease prediction using machine learning. So in this we are going to predict different diseases like heart disease, diabetes and Parkinson disease and cancer. So it is a system where you can detect the disease by sitting in your home. So it is we should provide all the necessary parameters to check whether you have that disease or not. So we used machine learning models like logistic regression and SVM for our project. So
hi everyone, title of our project is Mediflix Diagnostics. Mediflix Diagnostics is designed to detect COVID-19 and pneumonia using deep learning. We thank our guides and mentors for helping us a lot to complete this project. The management provided all the facilities required in completion of this project. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Kasa Maunika from Computer Science and Department. I am currently in my final year. I currently hold 8 offers with the highest package of 8 LPA. I can say that I have achieved this with the support of my department and training and placement cell. The infrastructure and the great labs that we have in our admin block has helped and made our training experience very successful. So finally, I would like to say that choosing ACE is one of the best decisions I have took.
We thank our CSE department for encouraging and supporting us.